Welcome to Steno Software. Get ready for a dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. India's per capita public spending on health is an abysmal $32 or about rupees 1800 per annum. The neediest of patients are often denied drugs critical for their survival. Against this backdrop, the government's decision to provide free essential drugs to all is a belated but welcome step towards a much needed universal health care policy. The right to health is as important as the right to education. The 12th 5 year plan has proposed an outlay of rupees 18,560 crore or $6 billion for healthcare. The plan must be well thought out and executed, or it will fail like many well meaning projects. The central government is doing well in using the Tamil Nadu model as the blueprint for the national healthcare policy. Tamil Nadu took the lead in providing universal health coverage by setting up an effective drugs procurement and distribution mechanism in 1994. Its IT enabled supply chain management system ensures delivery to needy patients, transparency to prevent misuse, and stringent quality control to eliminate spurious drugs. Kerala and Rajasthan are successfully emulating his model. At present, 78% of India's healthcare expenditure comes out of the patient's pocket. Drugs account for 72% of this expenditure. The new policy planned by the center will provide 52% of the population with 350 free essential drugs by April 2017 at a cost of rupees 300 billion. The cost will be shared by the center and state governments in a 72.25 ratio. To implement an effective policy, the government will need to put in place robust IT infrastructure, a stringent process will checks and balances, quality compliance measures, and the infrastructure to produce, procure, and distribute drugs. With the right approach, India can build one of the most advanced healthcare systems in the world. The challenge is monumental, but as the TN model shows, e-healthcare structured around a robust IT infrastructure is the key. It ensures transparency and accountability along with efficient supply and inventory management. This is fundamental to ensure timely and free medication for those who need it most. Let us take a look at the TN model in greater detail to understand its strength and weakness in order to be able to bridge the gaps while developing a national policy. The Tamil Nadu Medical Service Corporation, a state owned company, was set up with the mission to ensure availability of essential affordable drugs to all. The TNMSC built its procurement and distribution system on a well designed IT architecture, ensuring that the supply chain from manufacturer to warehouse to pharmacy and finally to the patient is tracked. The IT system ensures quality, compliance, transparency in procurement and distribution, and prevention of abuse. Based on this successful model, the center will ask state governments to set up autonomous corporation for bulk purchase of essential drugs through a transparent tendering process. Tamil Nadu spends the most on drugs among all states. Stop.